What is up, boys? S1KDK back with another video today. We are in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. As you guys can see, the vibrations are high. It's like 10:30 right now. Everybody's leaving something in there. Happy Pride Month, Milwaukee. That's where they're leaving. Maybe like a pride thing. But right now, we are getting rollers by Flicks by James on Instagram. He's located down in Milwaukee. So if you guys want rollers, if you're anywhere around Wisconsin, trust me, I've looked everywhere. This is like the best guy. This is like the best guy to get rollers done from, by far. I know a lot of people in Milwaukee that tried to do video creation and stuff like that, and they're just, you know, it's either they're overcharging or just not that great, to be honest, like sad truth. Just not as good as a lot of other people. So, he only started last year, too, and he's fucking killing the game. Pop up his Instagram quick. He is absolutely killing it. But, yeah, today, we're in Milwaukee. We're getting rollers done. We just got done with some B-roll of, like, pictures and videos of the bike. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but it was pretty cool. First time getting professional pictures done. Woo! Let her eat, bud. Have a good one, brother. They wanted more. I don't know why BT Moto, it's supposed to stop at 10K RPMs. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it doesn't. It's really weird. Like, most of the time it works great, but this time, I guess not so much. But right now we're heading down to a other spot for B-rolls, but we're gonna take rollers on the way. I just kind of want to bring you guys through it with me, you know? First time for me, first time for you guys too, more than likely, right? Unless if you guys are a video creator. The stretches that you'll go for good audio footage, man, I live like 2 hours away from here, which is kind of nuts, so I had to drive this far. But it's like 10 p.m. at night, so it's like prime time for nightlife. Woo! It's like prime time for nightlife, which is pretty cool. I got my tinted visor on right now. I'm telling you guys, I cannot see fucking anything. I mean, I can see lights, and that's about it, dude. I can't see much else, to be honest. I don't know, but this is a car right here that's taking my B-rolls. These people behind me probably think I'm fucking crazy going that close to a car, but right now, I'm wearing my NBT Clothing. I know you guys can barely see it, but NBT just dropped their new sweatshirt. Cut to the sponsor. Quick break in the video. I have something that I'm actually very hyped to show you guys. NBT Clothing hooked it up with their new gear, and this is why I'm excited. They've really stepped it up with these hoodies now being rated CEAA certified, which is very legit protection for something that looks exactly like a regular hoodie. It's crazy how low profile this armor is, especially when it's in this hoodie. It feels the exact same as a regular hoodie, and it keeps you protected. Not only does this have solid protection, it gives you a peace of mind just in case if things go sideways on the road. They've also upgraded their pants, with these pants being CE AAA rated, which is the best as it gets. If you go down, these jeans won't shred on you like normal jeans would. I've been wearing NBT for a long time now, and I used to rock just a regular hoodie and jeans like a lot of you guys out there. But now with NBT, that you can rock a hoodie and a jeans, but now you can be protected. And it's super comfortable too. Use my link down below for 15% off so you can stay protected on your next ride. Thank you so much, NBT Clothing, for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to it. Thank you, NBT Clothing, for sponsoring this video. As always, this guy doesn't have his lights on. I don't know what he's doing. Right out there, you can probably not see him. For the boys! Come on! boys, we're on the way back home. Enjoy a little bit of music, as in the sound of my exhaust, and trying to beat the GPS time home. We got an hour and 40-minute drive. Trying to get there in an hour. Lots of traffic downtown Milwaukee. It's not as bad as Chicago, but it's still not good. Remember, boys, you know, I could go faster, but there's really no freaking point, man. I'm still going way faster than the flow of traffic. Some of these cars can't see me. You just gotta be careful and go within your comfort zone. Always think 20 steps ahead. Look at beautiful Milwaukee. Yes, sir. Looks good. You listen to me wild. Oh, that's bump a bump. I don't one of those to listen to me both. About us a bump a bump. Yeah, don't go in front of me, asshole. Just backing up. You're backing up. And just like that, we're out of Milwaukee. I mean, basically. Woo-hoo-hoo, bumpy. Taxes going nowhere. My goodness. And look at, then you got assholes like these, like this, that go, this guy's going 2 miles per hour more than that guy, and it's like, man, you're taking up my lane. This is S1KDK's lane. The cars should be in the right, bitch. Yeah, guys, I can't stress enough though, like, you gotta ride within your limit, man. A few weeks ago, maybe a week ago, not even, I saw an R3, clearly a new rider, man, and he passed 4 cars in a single lane highway, as in, like, you know, you're not supposed to pass unless if it's clear. He almost got ran over by a semi, bro. I saw it firsthand, dude, because his bike is too slow, and that's not the full reason why he shouldn't have done it in the fucking first place, man. Please stop. please stop. You guys are gonna kill yourselves, dude. Like, my God. Like, yeah, I know it seems like I was going pretty fast right there, dude, but like, I was keeping up with traffic. Maybe a little bit faster, but I have the power, I have the skill level. And that's why I can do shit like that. People who are just starting out in a R3, CBR 300, whatever the fuck, I don't care if you're just starting out first year. Bro, do not do the stuff that you see on social media, man. Please do not. I can't stress it enough, honestly. But I was young and dumb once too, so y'all ain't gonna listen to me, which is fine. Whoop-de-doo! Oh, man. What's up, dude? Yeah, it's an empty highway. That's my bad. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's 55. It's a state highway. There's crossroads.
Is it a 55? I thought it was a 65.
55 ever since you got off the freeway.
Oh,
There's crossroads.
Yeah.
That's why it drops down.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
All good.
Yeah.
Not the worst, but.
Yeah, my bad.
All right. You got driver's license on you?
Yep.
You have your insurance?
Yeah, it's on my phone. Yeah, I'm just heading home now from Milwaukee. It's okay if I take off my helmet?
Yep, go for it.
Yeah, alright.
I saw you back there, I looked down and I'm like, oh fuck.
Yep.
I didn't know if you were coming from me.
Oh, I was. I was.
At least I didn't go.
Yeah, no, I
appreciate that. A lot of people do.
I appreciate that.